Rally at Ramleela Maidan in New Delhi on Wednesday, demanding special category status for Odisha. BJD leader Jay Panda has accused the centre for always maintaining discrimination against rights of Odisha.
ये सिंपल पॉलिटिकल डिस्क्रिमिनेशन है. कोई और राज्य को जो मिल रहा है हमें.
The Snoopgate whistleblower case of America, the External Affairs Ministry has said that India is keeping a close watch on the development and such issues are raised during National Security Councils of both the countries. MEA spokesperson Syed Akbaruddin said that issues related to violation of Indian laws concerning right to expression anywhere in the world are taken very seriously by India. Recently, there have been reports of some private companies in America obtaining information available on internet about citizens of 5 countries, including India, for personal gains.
We are concerned by media
And 17 others after all the 19, including Srisant Chauhan and 14 alleged bookies, were granted bail yesterday by a Delhi court. Srisant was in police custody for the first. India today stormed into the semi-final of the ICC Champions Trophy with a resounding 8-wicket victory over West Indies. Riding on Shikhar Dhawan's second consecutive ODI century, the 27-year-old Delhi boy yet again sizzled at the Oval as not approved. In such a condition, the ministry decided to make a department within the paramilitary forces to promote such development activities. The Home Minister also said that NIA is probing Naxal attack on Congress leaders on 25th May. He, however, refused to make the progress public.
NIA is inquiring into the.
The Home Minister has stressed on formulating consensus on National Counter-Terrorism Centre. Speaking on the issues of objection by certain states on NCTC, he said that few states are still opposing it, even though the new draft was prepared only after suggestions from some states. Sujil Kumar Shinde added that the centre will continue to work towards building consensus on the issue.
पहले तो जो उनका ऑब्जेक्शन था कि आईबी में इसे मत रखिए, हमने आईबी में से निकाला. उन्होंने ये भी कहा था कि इसका ऑपरेशन आईबी में मत रखिए, सेकंड पॉइंट, वो भी हमने निकाला. तो अभी इसका मतलब यही होता है कि उसमें कुछ वो सोच सकते हैं कि हम इतना ही मैं कहूंगा कि हमने एक प्रयास किया था, कंसेंसस तो लेना ही पड़ेगा. देखिए मैं बार बार इस पे कह.
Foundation stone for Nirbhaya Bhavan, a complex to be built in the memory of 23-year-old girl who was brutally gang raped in New Delhi on 16th of December last year. President Odisha.
ये सिंपल पॉलिटिकल डिस्क्रिमिनेशन है. कोई और राज्य को जो मिल रहा है हमें कोई इतराज नहीं है, लेकिन हमें इतराज है कि जो हमारा हक है वो हमें नहीं दिया जा रहा है. और इसका इफेक्ट ये होता है कि इतने सारे जो सेंट्रल फंड्स हमें आना चाहिए नहीं आता है, और जो भी आते हैं उसको हम यूटिलाइज नहीं कर पाते हैं बिकॉज ऑफ द स्टेट्स कंट्रीब्यूशन.
Reacting on the Snoopgate whistleblower case of America, the External Affairs Ministry has said that India is keeping a close watch on the development and such issues are raised during National Security Councils of both the countries. MEA spokesperson Syed Akbaruddin said that issues related to violation of Indian laws concerning right to expression anywhere in the world are taken very seriously by India. Recently, there have been reports of some private companies in America obtaining information available on internet about citizens of 5 countries, including India, for personal gains.
by media
Continued as it hit lifetime low of 58.98 against dollar, but recovered slightly to close at 58.39. This was only after RBI intervened in the forex market to stem the slide in the local currency that has caused much concern to government, markets and common man. The rupee still closed 24 paise lower at 58.39 compared to Monday's close, extending losses for 5th straight day. A weak rupee also weighed on stock market, which ended on a negative note. Let's take a look at this report. From India to extend all possible assistance to Nepal for holding successful general elections scheduled for end of this year in the country. Sher Bahadur Deoba, who is currently in India, is meeting many senior leaders to discuss India-Nepal relations. At least 17 Afghan civilians have been killed and 38 others wounded in a powerful bomb blast near the Supreme Court in Afghan capital Fixing Pants was released from Tihar jail yesterday night along with Ankit Chauhan and 17 others. All the 19, including Srisant Chauhan and 14 alleged bookies, were granted bail yesterday by a Delhi court. Srisant was in police custody for the first 13 days, while for the rest of the period he was lodged in Tihar jail. In between, Chauhan was granted interim bail for his marriage. Mahendra Singh Dhoni's alleged conflict of interest situation has not gone down well with the BCCI, with its new treasurer Ravi Sawant saying that into the semi-finals of the ICC Champions Trophy with a resounding 8-wicket victory over West Indies, riding on Shikhar Dhawan's second consecutive ODI. Freedom fighter Ram Prasad Bismil's birth anniversary was celebrated yesterday. Bismil was born on 11th June 1897 in Shahjahanpur district of Uttar Pradesh. He was hanged to death in Gorakhpur jail on 19th December 1927 by the British government on the accusation of robbing the government treasure in Kakori.
सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है, देखना है जोर कितना बाजुए कातिल में है। वक्त आने दे बता देंगे तुझे है आसमां, हम अभी क्या बताएं क्या हमारे दिल में है। These lines were written by Ram Prasad Bismil, who fought against the British rule till his last breath for the country's freedom struggle. He shook the foundation of the British government. He was not only a courageous freedom fighter, but also an excellent poet, translator, linguist, historian and a literate. Ram Prasad Bismil was born in Shahjahanpur district of Uttar Pradesh to Pandit Muralidhar and Srimati Moolmati. Bismil was his Urdu nickname, which means spiritually hurt. Ram Prasad never accepted his defeat and participated in all freedom movements with utmost enthusiasm. The revolutionaries planned to loot the government treasure in order to raise funds for their freedom struggle. On 9th August 1925, they looted the government treasure from the train going from Shahjahanpur to Lucknow at Kakori village. The Britishers interpreted it as an attack on them and arrested its leader Ram Prasad Bismil. In the following conspiracy, the ruthless British government hanged him to death on 19 December 1927 in Gorakhpur jail. 3 of his other mates too had the same fate, out of whom Roshan Singh and Ashfaq Ullah Khan were hanged on 19 December 1927 and Rajendra Nath Lahidi was hanged on 17 December 1927.
From the world of politics, sports and business at DD News Twitter handle at DD News Live round the clock. With that, let's have a quick recap of the top stories once again. Crisis in BJP resolved as well, that's all in this edition of news. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more only on DD News.